Financial markets are chasing nascent monetary policy turns outside the US. Rate hike prospects in Canada, Australia and the UK take top billing in the week ahead. US dollar forecast. US dollar at the mercy of external monetary policy trends. The US dollar is at the mercy of changes in external monetary policy trends, with investors eager to capitalize when other central banks follow the Fed's lead. British pound forecast. Upcoming inflation data may dent bullish uptrend. The British pound continues to push higher against a range of currencies, but GDP bulls should take heed of next week's UK inflation data, especially if consumer prices refuse to come down. Australian dollar forecast. Aussie dollar could yet gain more if domestic data play ball. Australian dollar bulls already have cause for celebration, especially when it comes to AUDUSD. However, this week could offer them even more, assuming the numbers don't disappoint. Chinese Yuan Forecast Yuan Eyes on China GDP, fixed asset investment. Key Chinese economic gauges have the yuan at risk from home next week. At the same time, Chinese regulators' view on the currency will continue to play a role. Crude oil forecast. Crude oil prices to remain bid as overbought conditions persist. Crude may continue to exhibit a bullish behavior over the coming days as OPEC and its allies see oil prices holding above the $60 BBL threshold. Gold forecast. Gold prices vulnerable as rally extends into resistance. Gold prices have rallied more than 7% off the December lows, with the immediate advance now eyeing initial resistance. Here are the updated targets and validation levels that matter. Equities forecast. SP 500. FTSE strength continues. Can the DAX catch up? The second week of the year brought more gains out of the US and UK. The DAX struggled. Can that change in the week ahead? See what live coverage is scheduled to cover key event risk for the FX and capital markets on the daily FX webinar calendar. See how retail traders are positioning in the majors using the IG client sentiment readings on the sentiment page.